Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today, I will solve your doubts on the question that is how to set up Gemini in Google Workspace. First of all, I'm going to tell you that there isn't a specific setup process required for individual users to access Gemini in Google Workspace. Its availability depends on your organization's admin settings and whether you have a Gemini for Google Workspace license or not. Here's a breakdown of the two scenarios. Scenario 1 with Gemini for Google Workspace add-on. In this case, Gemini is likely turned on by default as core service. You don't need any additional setup. You can access Gemini through the following methods. The first method is through Gmail side panel. Click the Ask Gemini is Start button at the top right corner to access features like summarizing emails or writing draft responses. Now the second method is Google Docs. Install the Gemini for Docs add-on from Google Workspace. For that, you'll have to navigate to a new tab, go to the search bar, type in Google Workspace Market, navigate to workspace.google.com link and you will see this page. On this page, go to the search app section and type in Gemini for Docs. Hit enter and click on the first search result, that is AI Assistant for Gemini. Now click on the install button you will see here. I've already installed it, so I'm able to see the uninstall button. You will have to click on the install button. When you click on install, it will unlock functionalities like writing prompts within your documents. Now talking about scenario 2, your admin might have enabled Gemini as additional Google service. You don't need a license to use it in this scenario. Access points are similar to scenario 1 I've talked about, that is Gmail side panel and Docs add-on installation. For both scenario, if you're unsure about your organization setup, consult your Google Workspace administrator. And that's how you can set up Gemini in Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.